Hello, this is Mrs. Ross, and unfortunately, I'm not going to be there on Wednesday. Hopefully, I'll be there on Thursday. I'd much rather be with you guys than where I'm currently at. So, let's go ahead and get started on what's happening in math apps. Go ahead and click on that. Let's take a look at the. Is it going to open? Okay, so I'm sorry, my computer decided to do something really weird right there. But you have this lesson planner in the weekly lesson planner folder. So today you're supposed to start with the bell work, the IXL diagnostic. Just an aside, I've sent you guys an email because almost no one is doing this diagnostic and I don't really understand why. So if you get the email, I need for you to respond to me why that's not happening. It could be any number of reasons. I tried to come up with a few, but I'd like to hear what's happening. So since I can't see it firsthand. Also, it says make sure you respond to the discussion if you have any questions about Lesson 3, written practice. So no one responded to the Lesson 2 written practice discussion, so I'm assuming you guys got all of the problems. And then today you have an opportunity to respond to Lesson 3 written practice, and I'll check that later on tonight. I didn't see any today there, but you have some independent study this afternoon, so you might have questions then. And then it says complete the Lesson 4 video notes. You'll need to print those out if you prefer to write them, and then work through the Lesson 4 practice set. So just the practice set part. Not the written practice, it's the practice set, two different things. So your homework is the video notes and the practice set. Of course, I would work through the practice set first, and then I would watch the video if I had any questions. If you do finish early, you can start on the written practice with a non-star. So let's take a look at what that looks like here. So the lesson planner is here, right there. We go back to the front page. Our lessons are here. And like I said, for Lesson 2, this is where the questions about Lesson 2 written practice would go. You would just put the numbers here. Lesson 3, that's what's due today, Wednesday. So you'll put any questions you have about Lesson 3 there. And then you'll move on to Lesson 4, where the video notes are here. The practice set videos there, but again, you should probably work those out first before you take a look at that video. So if you have any questions about anything in math, or if you're having trouble with IXL, please email me. And I hope you have a great Wednesday. Talk to you soon. Bye.